Hi! For today's video, I will be showing you how to remove the background of your picture without affecting the subject. Now, let us first open a file or a picture from this computer. Just click Ctrl O. And then you can select, for example, the picture of David Archuleta. Now the problem here is that there is a white background and we want to remove it. Okay? Now in order for this to be editable, let us first click the right side here, the background, right click, click the convert to smart object, and right click again, right, rasterize the layer. Okay, now it will now be editable. So in order to remove the background, we are going to use tools here, the left side portion. So the tools that will remove totally or generally the color and will isolate the subject. Just click W. You can use the magic wand tool here and then click it here and then type backspace. Okay, now let us free the wand tool. Click anywhere. Okay, then you can also click this one for the letter D. Remove the white. So this one. Okay. Now the problem here is what you can see, there is scale elements that has been left. To zoom the picture, just press Ctrl and plus. Okay. And to drag up and down, just click H. Okay. Now we are going to use pen tool. Now the shortcut key of pen tool is letter P. Type P. Now how are you going to use pen tool? Okay, point. Just follow the patterns of his hair, and you can also click distantly from the last point, and then position it with a curved figure that will pattern his hair. Okay. Just do it in the same manner, with the same process. Okay, are you done? So now we are now ready to remove this unnecessary background. Okay, just right click and then click the make selection, 0 anti-alias, and OK. So we can now type the backspace. See? Okay. Free up the marquee tool. You can click anywhere. Okay. So as what you can see, it's clean already. So that's all. Thank you for watching.